Okay, Khizr, in this question, it is given that 68.2 times 0.235 equals to this. This is the given value here, and hence evaluate. Remember that whenever you have a word of hence, it means that we have to use our previous values. So what here the previous value is given at this 68.2 multiplied by 0.235, and that is equals to some answer 16.027, and what we want to find is 0.0682 times 2350. Now what you have to observe here, that how much change is there in the given value and the value question we want to evaluate. So you can see here that here is the values, the digits are same here, 682, here is again 682, 235, again 235, but there is only difference of the position of the decimal. So what will we do here, that we will change the position of the decimal according to the given values. So here is decimal 0.06. If I move this decimal after 68, so that will become 68.2 times 10 raised to the power. As you can observe here that the value of the number has been increased, so power must decrease, so it will be -3 here. And similarly here is 2350, the position of decimal is at the end of this number, and we want to bring it here because in the given value it is 0.235. So I can write 0.235 times 10 raised to the power. Now the value of the number has been decreased, so the power will increase, so it will become 10 raised to the power 4. Now if you observe carefully, this is 68.2 times 0.235, that is the same number that was given to you. So I can rearrange these numbers, 68.2 times 0.235 times, now we have these two values, 10 raised to the power -3 and 10 raised to the power 4. When I will multiply them, their powers will add, so that will become 10 raised to the power 1, and the answer of this expression is 16.027 times 10 raised to the power 1. Now I want to find the remove this 10 raised to the power. Okay, so if I want to decrease this power, I must have to increase the number, so that will be 160.27. so it means the answer of this expression is 160.27. Similarly, you can solve the second part. In the second part, it is given that 160.27 divided by, now there is a word divided by. If you will use your first expression, that was 0.0682 times 2350, that is equal to 160.27. now try to bring your question according to the given arrangement, and that is if I shift this 2350 here, what I will get here, 0.0682, that is equal to 160.27, okay, divided by 2350, divided by 2350. Okay. Now 160.27 divided by 2350, you can see here that the only number we have to change is 0.0235, and here is 160.27, that is already in the same form as that is required to us. Okay, so what will I do here, that I will change this 2350 according to this 0.0235. so the position of the decimal is here, so if I remove this decimal and I bring it here, so that will become 160.27 divided by 0.0235. since the number has been decreased, so power must increase, and that would be 10 raised to the power 5. Why 5? Because we have moved 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 0 here, it's 5. So now I can say that if I rewrite this number like this, 160.27 divided by 0.0235 times 10 raised to the power 5, and that is equal to 0.0682, 0.0682, right? Okay, now we want to find the value of only these two numbers. So this is, we have this abundant extra number. If I move this here, it will become multiply here. So 0.0682 times 10 raised to the power 5, that will be 160.27 divided by 0.023. So 10 raised to the power 5, the power is 5 here, and I want to remove this 10 raised to the power, and I want to bring in ordinary form. So it means I want to decrease the power. I must have to increase my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 6820 equals to 160.27 divided by 0.023, and that is our required value. Okay, thank you.